Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Today we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter number 4. I would request you all to take out your textbook page number 31. I repeat, textbook page number 31. Exercise that is 1, 2, 3, 4 I'll discuss. Answer the following. I'll discuss and then I'll forward you to write down in your classwork notebook. When we start writing new chapter, we put today's date, write down the heading of the chapter, then I'm going to send you the hard words. Okay, after writing those hard words, you are going to copy down new words given on page number 3030. I repeat, first you are going to write down today's date, put the heading, name of the chapter, then you are going to write hard words which I will be sending you. Once you finish writing the hard words, come to new words, and then followed by new words you are going to write answer the following questions. Okay, 5 questions given on page number 31 of your textbook. Okay, so here we proceed with exercise of page 31. Question 1a. The river Dash divides the plateau region into two parts. I repeat. The river Dash divides the plateau region into two parts. It is river Narmada which is dividing the plateau into two parts. Okay. Second, the Western Ghats are a long range of hills. I repeat, the Western Ghats are a long range of hills. The rivers of South India are fed by rain. I repeat, are fed by rain. Question 1d. Dash is one of the highest waterfalls in India. It is Jog Falls. Jogfalls. Jog Falls. Okay, Jog Falls are the highest waterfalls in India. The nomads of the Thar Desert are called Banjaras. Okay, the spelling is Banjaras. Banjaras. Now, question number 2. Match the columns. In column A, we have black soil, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Oasis, Tej and Bharatpur. On the other side, in column B, we have wildlife sanctuary, good for growing cotton, celebrated in Rajasthan, river Krishna, found in deserts. Now, looking at column A, that is black soil, it matches with good for growing crops. I repeat, black soil, good for growing crops. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, it is built on river Krishna. I repeat, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, built on river Krishna. Now, oases. What are oases? They are found in deserts. Found in desert. An oasis is a place in a desert that has water and where trees grow. I repeat, oasis is a place in a desert that has water and where trees grow. Next is Tej. Tej is a festival that is celebrated in Rajasthan. Tej is a festival that is celebrated in Rajasthan. Bharatpur. Bharatpur is a wildlife sanctuary. There are 3 sanctuaries, that is Ranthambore, Bharatpur and Sariska. Okay, tigers, panthers, deer and variety of birds are found here in these wildlife sanctuaries. Now, question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Which of these rivers originates in the Central Highlands? I repeat, which of these rivers originates in the Central Highlands? The given options are Chambal, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Krishna. I repeat, Chambal, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Krishna. Now we remember the names of three rivers, that is Betwa, Chambal, and Son. These three rivers are originating from Central Highlands. So the correct answer to this question is Chambal. That is first option is correct. Children, in your first unit test, you will have MCQs like this only, wherein you will have to read the question. I repeat, read the question twice, read the question thrice. Do not start writing at a first go. Okay, have patience, read, understand, and then proceed. Okay, now question 3B. The Jog Falls is found on the river Dash. I repeat, the Jog Falls is found on the river Dash. The given options are Yamuna, Sharavati, Ganga, Luni. Yamuna, Sharavati, Ganga, Luni. The correct option is river Sharavati. Okay, so here the Jog Falls is on river Sharavati. Question 3C. The desert in India is called the Dash. Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert, Thar Desert, Kalahari Desert. Let us read the question one more time. The desert in India is called the Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert, Thar Desert, Kalahari Desert. Here the answer to the question is Thar Desert. Okay, Thar Desert is the desert which is in India. Question 3D. Which river flows through the desert? Thar Desert, sorry. Which river flows through the Thar Desert? The given options are Betwa, Chambal, Son, Luni. The given options are Betwa, Chambal, Son, Luni. So these first three rivers are rivers which are originating from Central Highlands. So the left out option is Luni. So Luni is a river which is flowing through the Thar Desert. Flowing through the Thar Desert. Question 3E. Which of these is an important town in the desert region? I repeat, which of these is an important town in the desert region? Given options are Mysore, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Bangalore. We read the options again. Mysore, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Bangalore. The correct answer to this question, important city in desert area, is Jaipur. Okay, so there are many other places which are in desert region, but this important town, one of the important town is which is given in the option is Jaipur. Other places which are important towns are Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Udaipur. It can be any other option also, so you should not get confused. In this textbook it is given Jaipur, but in MCQ it is as Bikaner. Bikaner is also one of the important town. So this how you will get to know. This is you will get to know when you read the chapter carefully. There are 3 chapters in all which are going to come in the unit test. I again and again repeatedly keep on saying that you need to read the chapter and read the chapter. Okay. Now question number 4. Unscramble the letters to form the correct words. I repeat, unscramble the letters to form the correct words. It is called a tableland. So easy. The name of the chapter, it is Plato. Now we got to write the spelling in capital. In capital. It is Plateau. Okay, I repeat, Plateau. Plateau. Question 4b. The largest plateau in India. The largest plateau in India is the Deccan Plateau. It is DECCAN. I repeat, DECCAN. Question number 4c. The river flowing from east to west. I repeat, the river flowing from the east to west. Here, looking at the letters, we can make out it is River Narmada. So the spelling of Narmada is Narmada, Narmada. Next, the festival celebrated in Rajasthan. Festival celebrated in Rajasthan. There are many festivals which are celebrated. Okay, but here looking at the letters given, we can make out it is Gangori. Okay, the other festivals are also there. Tej, Diwali, Dashera, but here it is Gangur. The spelling of the word Gangur is Gangaur. I repeat, Gangaur. Question number 4e. The ship of the desert. I repeat, the ship of the desert. It is camel. 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 Now, answer the following questions. The given question on page number 31. What is a plateau? A plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the land around it. Okay, you can also write it is also called tableland. A plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than the land around it. Question number 2. Why do the rivers of South India not have water throughout the year? I repeat, why do the rivers of South India not have water throughout the year? The rivers of South India do not have water throughout the year as they are fed by rain. They are flooded with water during and after rainy season. I repeat, the rivers of South India do not have water throughout the year as they are fed by rain. They are flooded with water during and after the rainy season. Question 5c. Why is the Plateau region important to us? Children, do not get worried looking at the answer. Okay, though the answer seems big, it is not difficult at all. So never go according to the size. Okay, just let us read why Plateau region is important to us. The Plateau region is important for various reasons. There are many reasons why Plateau region is important to us. First one, many crops like cotton, oilseeds, rice, sugarcane, wheat and millets are grown here. You are free to write in points also. Here it is given in paragraph form. The first point of importance is many crops like cotton, oilseeds, rice, sugarcane, wheat and millets are grown here. Second point, the Western Ghats and the northeastern part of the plateau have thick forests. Okay, Western Ghats, as you know, it has a long range of hills. So Western Ghats and northeastern part of plateau have thick forest. As you all know, forests provide very valuable products. Okay, so they provide valuable forest products such as different kinds of wood. Next point is there are large coffee, tea, pepper and rubber plantations in the Nilgiri hills. Many factories have come up in the Plateau region. Why do you think many factories have come up? Why? Because it is a storehouse of minerals such as iron ore, gold, coal, copper, and mica. Going to read the answer one more time. Children, you are free to write answer in your own words. So you read and read and read, understand, but do not sit and mug up. Okay, I repeat the answer again. The Plateau region is important for various reasons. Many crops like cotton, oilseeds, rice, sugarcane, wheat, and millets are grown here. Next, the Western Ghats and the northeastern part of the plateau have thick forests. They provide valuable forest products such as different kinds of wood. There are large coffee, tea, pepper, and rubber plantation in the Nilgiri hills. Many factories have come up in the Plateau region as it is a storehouse of minerals. We saw in Chota Nagpur Plateau many minerals are found such as iron ore, gold, coal, copper and mica. Next question. Question number 4. Which crops are grown in the desert? Which crops are grown in the desert? Now, crops like wheat, barley, maize, jowar, and bajra are grown in the desert. Which crops are grown in the desert? Crops like wheat, barley, maize, jowar, and bajra are grown in the desert. Coming to the last question of the chapter, that is, why is life in the desert difficult? I repeat, why is life in the desert difficult? We all agree, not living in desert is really difficult. Why do you think it is so? That why these people staying in villages are having problems? Let us see. The Indian desert is dry and sandy, as there is very little vegetation. Vegetation is little as it is has to be little because for growing crops we need water, and actually they are suffering from scarcity of water. So the Indian desert is dry and sandy as there is very little rainfall. River Luni flows through the region but has very little water all through the year. There is one river which is flowing, but it is very little water all through the year. The summers are very hot and winters are very cold. During the day, let us see what happens to them. During the day, it is very hot, but the nights are quite cool. Due to what? Scarcity of water, I repeat, due to scarcity of water, there is hardly any plant life. Water in the desert is often salty and not good, that is, not good for most plants. Since the deserts have very little vegetation, since the deserts have very little vegetation to hold the soil, when the wind blows, it carries sand with it, causing dust storms. These conditions make life difficult for a person to stay in a desert.